Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today and do my January favorites. Got a lot of good products to show y'all, but before I get started, I want to do a giveaway with one of my favorites. So this is kind of a spoiler. That's okay. A lot of you know that I bought the Jaclyn Hill palette. I've had it over on Instagram. I may have had it on some other YouTube videos. I want to give one away. So all you have to do to enter this contest or to enter the giveaway is to ask me a question down below. I've never done a Q&A, so I want to do a Q&A. So just ask a question down below. That will enter you in the giveaway. Good luck. I love this palette, but I'm going to talk about it in this video. So anyway, I'm going to jump right into my January favorites. And I'm going to start with the lip products. The NYX Butter Gloss that Annie sent me in our collab. It's what I have on today. I love the color. I love the formula. This is creamy smooth and dries down to like a lipstick, like a creamy lipstick. It's beautiful. I have more backups of this on the way. Love this. Then I picked up two MACs that I am loving. Heard about these on Penn or Annie or both. This first one is Cream de Nude. That's like a peachy nude. It's beautiful. Now, I probably already have this color somewhere else, but I really love this. I set these out on my desk to use them up. And then this one is in, I think the color is Leicester. I don't know if that's the formula. You know what? I'm going to put this one on. That, but you can't see it. It's just a pinky nude that rivals my Natasha Denona. I'm not sure about the price difference. This one I think is $17. The Natasha's probably in the 20s, like 25. This is beautiful. Then I picked up the Lancome Cils Booster. I told y'all I'd let y'all know how I like this. This makes a huge difference in whether or not my mascara smears. Now, my Essence in the purple is not a smearing mascara. However, I have allergies, and instead of rubbing my eyes, when they itch, I squeeze them together. Well, any mascara is going to transfer a little bit down there. This stops that for me. Now, it goes on white, which I thought, that's just an extra step. Really builds them up nice. So I only put on 1 or 2 little coats of mascara instead of 3 or 4. Now, before I tried this, I tried the L'Oreal. The L'Oreal makes me want to pick my eyelashes, but before you pick this up, try the L'Oreal. People love that, and it's probably half the price of this. I think this was around $25. I'll link it. This just keeps it clean under there. I love my Cils Booster. Okay, next, Annie sent me this too in our collab. This is the Maybelline Curvy eyeliner. I put it on today. On the top, it goes on so easy. It's like a liquid, but it's like a felt tip pen, so I have good control. I don't have the steadiest hands, so just put that on so easy for the drama. I don't notice any transferring with it. I love the Maybelline Curvy. Okay, next I'm going to move on to foundations. In my Annie collab, I tried the Clinique Beyond Perfecting. This is so beautiful, y'all. Okay, now I hate the application of it. I don't use that. The top of it has that little hole in it, but you can pour it into your hand like a regular foundation, and it's worth it. And then Ellis for Living told me airless pump. Get an airless pump. I have some on the way. I'm going to put this in an airless pump that I got off Amazon. Okay, then a drugstore. The Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I think I actually cleaned this out in a clean out and then repurchased it because I discovered I like matte. It goes on pretty matte, and then it blends with the oils in my skin through the day and is a perfect luminosity. A lot of times I'm not sure if I'm luminous or oily. This gives me a beautiful luminosity. About halfway through the day, it just is perfect. I don't have to overlay powder with it. Does not make me feel dry. Perfect. I love it. Okay, the next thing is the Real Techniques powder brush. I fell immediately in love with this brush. I use it every day. I love this as much as I love my MAC 150S. That was my holy grail. This may be a little above it. If you don't have a Real Techniques powder brush, this is the perfect density, firmness, perfection. Okay, then another utensil that I'm loving is my sponge from Miss A. I heard about this on the Oh Carol show, and she said it was a dupe for the Beauty Blender. I love it every bit as much as my Beauty Blender. So I'm real picky about my sponges. I like them to be soft, kind of porous. Y'all, this is so good. I'm going to link them below. Miss A, they're $1. I ordered like 20 of them. I'm going to be putting some of these in giveaways. And a couple of skincare items. The Derma E, heard about this on Jennifer Jenkins, Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Toner. She was saying this gets rid of dry skin, like flaking from tretinoin. I love this. When I'm extra flaky, I use this. It does not feel overly active. Now, I'm careful with it because I'm on so much active stuff like tretinoin and acids. So I'm real careful with this, but I love it. It gets my face really clean. I think it helps get the skin off. I'm in agreement with Jennifer. I really like it. I think Dawn likes that too from Dawn's Life Over 40. Then I picked up an Obashi Retinol at 1% because I've started giving my face breaks from tretinoin. You know, just a little kindler, gentler approach going into 2018 since I just about made half my face fall out in 2017. I think I like it. I like the idea of giving my face a little break, but still putting the retinol on. Yeah, I haven't had any breakouts from it. Feels real nice. Still putting a retinol on. Allows me to take a break. I don't know that I will ever know if this is doing anything that I can say, yes, get this, because I'm also using tretinoin. But if you take breaks from your tretinoin, this is real nice. I like it. Then I also picked up the Sunday Riley Luna, a small one, to try this. And when I use my Obashi Retinol at 1%, I put a little bit of this on my dry bits, my dry parts, just on my cheeks. I really like this for some added moisture and a little bit of extra vitamin A. I like that combination of the Obashi and then a little of this on top of it. Now, these are new to me. And you know, with skincare, you're not going to know for a while, but I'm enjoying using those. The Tartelette Toasted. I had always wanted this. And then my subscriber friend, Julie, this is her holy grail. She loves it and was talking about it. And I finally was like, yeah, I'm getting it. I had thought this would be a lot like my Heat, my Urban Decay Heat. This is earthier. I don't use a lot of the shimmers, but I love this dark brown. Then this, I layer that with it. These over here for my spotlight. This one, I use that one a lot in my transition. You can go kind of natural with it. You can have drama with it. This is one of my favorites. Okay, then this Morphe that Annie sent me. I cannot find the number on here anywhere, but I'll link it below. I love this palette so every single time I wear it, I get a good look with this. That dark brown, I layer this plum over it. I've got all these transitions. This palette is pretty close to perfection. I love the Morphe shadows so much that I ordered the Jaclyn Hill. I've heard countless people talk about this and they all love it. I have it on today. I have on that dark brown with a little bit of that red layered, and then something from up here in my transition. A lot of times I'll wear this pink in my spotlight and mix it with some of this down here to lighten it up. They've been a joy to use all of January. We have spent some time together. Okay, then for non-makeup items, a Fitbit. I got this from a subscriber friend over Christmas, Misty. It took me forever to get this going. I'll tell you what I like this for. I like it because it vibrates when I get a text, so I don't have to leave my noise on. I do count my steps, but they're embarrassing. I don't get many steps during the day, like 3,000. Everybody beats me. But thank you, Misty, for this Fitbit because I really have fallen in love with it. And then a drink I'm enjoying. I will tell you, if you have a sugar problem, be careful with this. I can't have much of it. In my coffee, I have started putting like half a scoop of hot chocolate into my coffee with regular cream, regular sweetener, like half a scoop of my homemade hot chocolate mix. It's like a milk chocolate. Now, I will tell y'all I set my sugar off with it. So I have to be real careful with it. It's delicious. It's got Coffee Mate powdered sugar. It's not the healthiest, but it is a treat when you want a treat. And that is all my favorites for January. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.